Dear students, I welcome you all to this physics tutorial series. I am following the book by NCERT for class 11. So in this video, we will solve the problem number 3.21 from the chapter number 3. In this problem, we are given with a xt plot, that is the position time plot of a particle in one-dimensional motion. Three different equal intervals. Here we can see this is one interval, this is second interval, and this is the third interval. Okay, so in these three intervals we have to find out in which interval is the average speed is the greatest and in which it is the least. So here we have to use the concept of slope to calculate the average speed. So here we are not given with any data, therefore looking at the slope of the graph we have to find out the greatest speed and the lowest speed. So here in this case we can see that at this position 3 we can see the slope is the highest. So let me show you with another color. This slope is the highest slope, and at this position this is the least slope. Okay, this slope is also medium, and here we have the least slope. Therefore we can say that the greatest slope of the particle is at position 3. So here in this case we have to see the slope. So you can see that at position 3 the slope is the highest slope. Here we can see at this position the slope is highest. Therefore we can write is equal to position 3. Why position 3? Because at this position we have the highest slope, and at position 2 at this point, position 2 at this point, so here we have the lowest slope. So at position 2 we have the least speed. Now we have to give the sign of average velocity for each time interval. So sign of average velocity, when the slope will be positive its sign will be positive, when the slope will be negative its sign will be negative. So at this position we can see the slope is positive, at this position also slope is positive, and at this position the slope is negative. For position 1, 2 the sign of speed or average speed is equal to positive, and position 3 sign of speed will be this is negative. Okay, so this is the solution of the problem number 3.21 from the chapter number 3. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please put it in the comment section below. Also like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.